What's up guys, today I wanted to design and print a holder for these pens right here. So let's see, the pen is, let's say 10 millimeters in diameter, and like I would like it to be like that deep, maybe 35, so you could just really put it in and it would stand there. And some good design, maybe some modern, minimalistic, whatever. Let's try it. So we are in Fusion right now. The pen was meant to be 10 millimeters in diameter, so I wanted to make it like a little box, 10 millimeters. Let's just make ourselves a scale so we can see. Oh no, that's wrong. Let's make a circle, 10 millimeters diameter. That's gonna be the hole. So see what we can make out of this. Maybe 20. That's probably good. Yeah, make it 40 and 40. Looking good. So let's make the little cube. I would say like we do this 1 millimeter tall, just because, you know, so it can't stick through it. Let's make this sketch. I did it, and now we wanted it 35 tall, so let's make it 35 tall, just like that. Now we've got this, and now it looks a little chunky to me, so let's maybe make the edges a little bit round. Like that. That's a little modern design right there. Let's make it this too. Oh, maybe something like that. That's looking pretty cool actually. So yeah, and the pen is gonna go into here like that. Let's double check, no hole through it. So let's save it. Pen holder 1. Let's go into the slicer, pen holder 1, open it. Looking beautiful, would you look at that? Oh, there's actually a hole through it. And we're gonna see each other at the printer. So, pop the card in. And let's get printing. Preheat it, start the print pen holder, and we're gonna see each other when it's done. So it is done now. Let's see if the pen fits. Beautiful. Probably can see. Yeah, look at that. A little bit of play. Popped off nicely. No hole through it. Now this time actually. Yeah. Good pen holder. Successful project. Until next time.